Okay, Aubree, today's the 15th. And the two last questions to ask for 2C. And the first question is, I'm going to teach you a couple of things. I have 6 counters here and 3 here. How much is that on here? 8? Yeah, how'd you get 8? How did you get 8? Okay. Right, there's 6 there. How many are here? Mm-hmm. So you're putting up 2? And what are the 2?
To make 8.
Okay. And what if I have 7 under here? And 4 under here. How many is that all together?
10.
10. How'd you get 10? Good use of your fingers. Can you show me the 10? There's 7 there.
One, 2, 3.
Good. And how many were under here? Remember how many I put under here? No? How many is that?
3.
How many is this? So what do you think now? There's 7 here, and how many here?
4.
Mm-hmm. And okay. Can you count those again? Yeah, what you did? I mean, what you do with your fingers. Show me what you did first, because that's good. You know these. You do that really well. Okay. So show me that 7 again on your fingers. Yes, but how many were under here?
4.
Uh-huh. But you only said 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's try this one. 8 here and 6 here. And use that all together.
Ten.
Can you show me how you're getting 10 again?
8 is 2, 1, 2.
Got it. So you are putting up 2. You put up 8 for those. And you put up how many for these? 6. Okay. I'm just writing your answers down because I forgot your paper at home. All right, can you give me 13 of those? Should be. Yeah.
3, 4,
Good job. Okay. That was the end of my question. Step. I'm going to show you, right? I don't think I'm here. I just put that here and bring it back. Okay. Got the sniffles, huh? Yeah. All right, I'm gonna put, red's my favorite color. I'm gonna put 4 red counters here. And 6 blue counters here. Okay. All together. Can you tell me how many that is?
Right.
Good. Can you check? What did you do? I saw you looking. Did you count them all? Good for you. Want to double check?
1, 2, 3,
And good job. So sometimes it's good to check, right? When we're counting. Think, okay, I do that all the time. As a grown-up, sometimes I have really big numbers to add. So I'll add them all up. I'll write it down. And then I go and I add them up again and I get a different number. So then I add it up a 3rd time to see if I can get the same number. And if I get one of those two, there's one, I'll go with that. Takes a lot of work counting like that, right? All right, how about if there's 8 red ones and 2 green ones? How much? 2 red ones, how much is that altogether? 10. Good job. Yep, it's 10. Okay, how about you're good at this? 12 blue ones. And 3 red ones. $15. Good job. All right, getting the hang of this. 15. How about 12? How about 14? Blue ones. And 2 green ones.
14.
Let's see, how many were over there? 14. 2 red ones. 16 altogether, right? So you're really good at that. I noticed that the other day. You're really good at counting up and counting backwards. You really have the sniffles, huh? So, and you know your 3rd grade numbers. We're really good at that. So let's try this. How about 21 blue ones and 2 red ones. $26. Okay. What if 34 blue ones and one red one. There's 34 blue here and one red here.
35,
How many did I say? Forgot already.
34,
I said 34 and one blue one and one red one. It's 35. You're right. How about 35, 6 through 7, 8 through 9, 42 blue ones and one red one.
23,
Yeah, how come we're not counting them anymore? Got too hard, huh? That's too much counting. So you didn't have to count these, you just trust me, right? 42 and one more, you're right. So do you have to count these every time? Does a person have to count these every time? So I'm not trying to trick you. I'll tell you how many there are. 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 46 blue ones and 2 red ones.
48,
Got it. You don't want me to count anymore, huh? 46, I said, right? 47, 48, 49, 50, 51 blue ones and 3 red ones.
53,
51, I said? 51 blue ones and 3 red ones.
54,
54, you got it. See, I'm getting myself confused. Okay, what about, let's go back down. You just learned something, huh? You don't really have to count. 7. Let's try this again. 7 blue ones and 2 red ones. You got it, it is 9. And so you're just saying, you're holding that one in your brain, because you have a big brain. Did you just learn something new? Okay, so that was 7 and 2. How about 8 red ones and 8 blue ones and 3 red ones?
11,
You got it. Same thing. You're just saying 8 and 10, 11. Good job. You didn't count up to 8, did you? No, I don't think you did. 8. And then how about 12 blue ones and 2 red ones?
12,
There's 12 under there.
14,
It is 14. You looked like you counted all 12 this time. I heard, I can see you going 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. Why do you think you choose sometimes to count up from 1 instead of like you did with the big number? When I gave you this many, you didn't have to count it.
Adding backwards, if it were 12 and then 2, I don't think. No.
Do you think that strategy of not counting these, just starting there, works even with smaller numbers? Okay. Let's try one with 14. 4, 3, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now there's 14 here. And 3 red ones. How much is that? 14 blue ones and 3 red ones.
17.
Yeah. What'd you start counting from that time? So on that one, what was your count? What did you say on that?
and then
14.
then
I couldn't tell. Did you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8? Did you count them all? No. Okay. A little louder. I can't really hear you. 15. Works, huh? Does that work for 8? 6, 7, 8. 4, okay, so if there's 8 blue ones and 3 red ones, how much is that altogether?
11.
Yeah, so you didn't count the 8 this time, huh? Okay, let's try the other one again. I'm gonna put 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, you just figured out a good strategy. It saves time. Yeah, if you don't count these, you just say it and keep counting up from there. Start here instead of starting with 0. All right, I'll put 6 under here and 2 red ones.
12.
How many are under there? 6.
12.
6, 11, 12. Check. 8, right? Let's try that together. Ready? There's how many under here? 6.
2.
Seven, 8, right? 6, 7. Okay. So, 20. Okay. I have another game it's called Before and After. There's lots of cool stuff today. We use tons of games that we use here. So no plans this weekend, huh? It's supposed to be really nice out. I think I'm going on a long hike. Come on.
Maybe I'll go swimming.
Swimming? Indoors, I hope. Oh, I know what I'm gonna do with you. I learned something new. So do you want to learn it with me? I'm not very good at teaching it yet. You can help me. So you notice about, what do you notice about this?
White
Have white beads
and red.
and red beads, yep. Have white beads and red beads. What else do you notice about the beads? Mhm. How many beads do you think there are?
20.
There's 20 total. So how many beads are on this top? There's 5 red ones. Yep. And this is also 5 red ones. So there's 5 red ones. How many white ones are there?
5.
There's 5 ones. What 5 people do? You tell me. What's 5 plus 5? I'll tell you that, right? So this is 5 plus 5. And this is 5 plus 5. What's 10 plus 10? You know that too. Boy, you know a lot of addition. Okay. So there's how many red beads each time? 5. How many white? Yep. So my first question is, There's all 10 of them, right? So if I push them all, there's how many?
It's still a color.
If I push all these here, and how many did you say that was?
Okay.
Mhm. What if I push 3 of these down here? Oh, 3. Is there how many here?
Okay.
Mhm. And if I push those, how many is that? Well, okay, how many are here? 10. And what are 11? I push, how many is that?
5.
I push this many white ones. How many is that? What'd you count that time?
It was 5 of them. It was 5 of them. 7.
It was 8. I thought you figured out we didn't really have to count those. We could just say, yep, it's 5. Right, so 6, 7, 8. Okay, so do a couple more things with that. That's another thing I'm going to show you. Before and after game. Oh yeah, we've got showing you all kinds of stuff today, okay? Just so that you, just as an introduction. Do you know what an introduction means? Just a way for you to see. Where's my 1 from 10? I'm just gonna. These are different colors. We could play this game, but honestly, we'd be really fast. But, can you tell me these numbers real fast? Or we can- Okay. 10. So what comes right after 1? We put 1. 8. I think this will work. I think I made a mistake, but we'll see. Okay, so here's the game. You're gonna find the number that comes after the card you turn over. Okay. Find it, you put your red, it's tic-tac-toe, okay? Because we're 3 in a row. You have to beat me. Okay. Turn that card over. So what comes right after? So you're gonna put a red chip on 4. Now it's my turn. Comes right after 1. 2. Your turn. It did make a mistake. Mistake here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
12.
So what comes right after 10?
11.
Mhm. I made a mistake somewhere. I'll just leave it. 10 and I'll see it. Somewhere I made a mistake. It's right after 6.
7.
Mhm. What comes right after 8? 9. Ooh, I blocked it. Comes right after 2.
3.
Mhm. You won.
Yay!
What's the mistake that I made? Right after 7, 8. Right after 3. No, 4, 5. And right after 5, 6. What's the mistake I made? I don't understand. Do I have a 1 in here? Yes. I have the 1, 2. I know I made a mistake and I don't know what it is. Do you know what my mistake is? No, it's right after 1, 2. It's right after 2, 3. It's right after 3, 4. It's right after 4, 5, 6. Oh. It's right after 6. That's not a mistake. 7. It's right after 7, 8. It's right after 8, 9. It's right after 9, 10. Okay, so I shouldn't have 10. Okay, again, real quickly. Wait. Okay. Fix my mistake. Shuffle, shuffle, all right. Go ahead.
Yeah.
Enjoy after 7. Hmm? After 9, 10. Hmm? 5, 6. Six, 7. Ooh. I need to block me. Ooh, block me. What do you need to win? No, what do you need to win? Good block. Ooh, there's 2 ways you can win. 2. Hey, tic-tac-toe. What does this card have to be? We're playing the game after. So this is the number right after this. So what is this?
4.
That's a 4. So this comes right after this. Mm. 4 comes right before 5. 4 comes right after what?
3.
Good thinking. I like that you. Oh, I see what the teacher's looking. You kind of looked off and thought, oh, I get it. Right? So now we have to understand the question. I like your effort. Okay, play speed round. Let's go as fast as we can this time. Right, you ready? That's my favorite color. Right, ready? Set, go. Mm. Three in a row? You see three in a row? In a straight line? You don't? I see three in a straight line. Good for you. You won the speed round. Ooh, I like that. Let's try that again. You're fast. You can hold mine in my hand this time. That way we're ready. All right. Here are these. Ready, mark, set, you start. Nope. That comes right before. That comes right after. I do have another game that's a big board game. Who won? You won again. You won all three. Wow, that's a first. Okay. So that's that game. We have it on the other side, but we do the number right before it. So if you pull an 8, you have to find 7. Right? So we'll clean this up. So we'll play. I don't want to confuse you. So nice job. Okay. We'll see you on Monday. And we could also play this game. We spread all the cards out and we kind of put them in the stupid thing. Kind of does this, but in a different way. All righty.